everybody? How y'all doing? Once again, it's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay up to date with all the notifications for all the videos that are going to be dropped on a weekly basis. Now, as I was telling you guys before, we're actually going to be talking about today something that's going to help you guys trade exactly like the bank.
I don't know
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't know that.
Right? You ever notice that your stop loss barely gets hit? And then as soon as your stop loss gets hit, it takes off in the opposite direction, which is where you intended for it to go.
I don't like that.
Right? You ever notice that there's a gigantic move that happens in a market and to you, it seems almost random? You're like, there's not even any news or anything. Where did this come from?
How are they doing this?
We're actually going to teach you guys how to be able to get involved in those moves and in those plays. So while everybody else is getting their stop loss hit and they're sitting there confused and scratching their head, you're actually going to be getting into the money, right? So what we're going to be talking about today is actually going to be something called Bounceback, okay? And I'm not talking about the young jock, right? I'm not talking about that kind of bounce back, right?
Okay, meet me in the trail. It's going down. Meet me in the mall.
I'm talking about the bounce back that's going to help you bounce back from all the L's you've been taking in the market. So first thing we're going to do is what we always do. We're going to start off on im.center, okay? And then what we want to be able to go access is we actually want to be able to go straight to go live, okay? Now, go live is actually going to give you guys access to all of the information. So I always like to tell people whenever you're looking at go live, right? You're going to have these instructional tutorial videos that are all going to be about 2 to 3 minutes a piece. These videos you want to make sure that you watch so that you get a decent understanding of how to actually be able to utilize the platform. So obviously I speak English, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. We're going to keep scrolling. We're going to keep scrolling. We're going to keep scrolling. And then we're going to locate the bounce back channel. Okay. Now, once we locate the bounce back channel, we're simply going to click on it. Right now, there's going to be technically there's more than just these two educators. But from what you see, there's going to be 2 primary educators. You're going to have Stevenson Lindor. You're also going to have Zachary and Jordan Morgan. Okay. Now, Stevenson Lindor is going to be one of the individuals that's going to be one of the co-founders of Bounceback. Okay. He's only going to have 1 session a week. And those sessions are just going to be market overview. So that's basically where you're going to come to a session. You're going to be able to understand what the weekly overview is going to be pertaining to his personal bias. And you'll be able to have access to his markup. So if I actually click on Stevenson Lindor, right, just like anything else, I always like to advise people, anytime you come across a new scanner, the education, you want to be able to start and see if they have a favorite session. So as you see, he doesn't have anything in his favorite session. So you can really just start off with his most recent videos. Okay. Now, the people who you really are going to want to focus on. So as I was saying, you want to trade like the bank, right? The people that are really going to trade like the bank is going to be Zachary and Jordan Morgan. Okay. Now, Zachary and Jordan Morgan, as you guys see, actually go live 4 times a week, 2 days a week. So on Tuesday, they go live at 3 a.m. Eastern, also 9 a.m. Eastern. They do the same thing on Thursday. So if I click on these guys, this is where it starts to get a little saucy, okay? It's where it gets a little saucy. So if you guys scroll down, unlike Stevenson Lindor, no disrespect to Stevenson Lindor, but these guys have a favorite sessions that is equivalent to a boot camp. And as you guys see, they also give you homework. So if you're not a person that wants homework, this is not going to be the strategy for you because they want to help you become masters in the market, right? So this is what I want you guys to do, okay? I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay? Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way down, okay? Fat Joe says I'm all the way up. I'm all the way down. So
What did he say?
You're going to locate the very first video that's going to be titled How to Access and Use Bounceback. And then, ladies and gentlemen, from that video, you are going to jump into the rabbit hole and you're never going to return. It's going to be like Alice in Wonderland, okay?
I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
The next video that you want to start on is going to be called Intro to Smart Money, right? And as you see, they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, right? We go all the way to section 2. As you see, they have it segmented. They got a section 1, right? They got a section 2, right? And they also have a section 3. Okay. So to the common person, You're going to look at all these videos like, damn, I got to watch all those. The fact that that even came up in your head, this may not be for you. Okay. This is not something you come into and you're like, damn, I got to watch all those videos. Because just like any other skill, you don't go to college and you're like, damn, I got to read through all these textbooks. Yeah, you do. So if you guys want to be able to trade like the banks, I'm telling you, right? Go dive into this information because it helped me. And now, to be honest, I'm robbing the banks 100% legal.
All right, put the money in the bag. Put it in.
You're facing the wrong way, sir.
All right, give me the money.
Now, so that's where you guys want to actually be able to make sure you go tap in so that you guys can actually start, getting the information to stick. So make sure you go to Zachary and Jordan Morgan, right? Favorite sessions, scroll down to the bottom, okay? And start watching the videos step by step. All right, now, guys, what's going to be the next thing that we're going to do? So if we go back to IM.Center, which is going to be our headquarters, now what we're going to do, we're actually going to go click on strategies, okay? We're actually going to go click on strategies. Same thing. There's going to be different things that you guys can go through. Please never select don't want to see this anymore because you want to have these pop up so that you can show all of your new people. Okay. Now, what I want you guys to be able to focus on is going to be this, right? If you scroll down after you select the strategies on IM.Center, I want you to stay on the FRX Academy. Then I want you to select Bounceback. Okay. As you're going to see, Bounceback is a strategy giving you quality and precision while identifying turning points within the markets, okay? The trading style is going to be intraday. It's also going to be swing trading. They don't mention that. You could also use it for scalping, even though we don't really focus on scalping trading in this manner. And the market is going to be foreign currencies. You can honestly do crypto. You can honestly do indexes. You can honestly do commodities, okay? Now, if I click on this, it's going to pull up a different URL, which is going to be bounceback.im. So if you guys just want to go straight to it, it's just bounceback.im. Same concept. It walks you through the educators, right? It walks you through how to set up alerts. It also walks you through how to use Bounceback. Now, one more thing I actually want to be able to show you guys before I go too much further. Let me go back to Go Live because one thing you guys are not going to realize is Bounceback, right? Bounceback has officially unofficial educators. So it's more people than just Zach and Jordan. They're just not technically on the Bounceback channel. So this is what I want to show you guys real quick, right? If you guys look at Bounceback, let me see. I'm gonna click on, let me see if I click on the most recent video, if I can get access to what I want to actually be able to show you guys. So let me put this on mute and let's see. Usually they're gonna give you guys a list of all the educators. All right, perfect. So guys, look, obviously you're watching this YouTube video. I'm not gonna move my face because y'all can just go back and rewatch this specific video in Go Live. I'm only blocking one person. Actually, no, I'm not going to be selfish. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different educators for one product. Okay. Now you may be asking, Tyree, where the hell do I find these people? You only showed me 2 people on the Bounceback. I got you. Okay. Also over here, you can see London, New York, right? English and Spanish session. So you have 9 different educators, technically 10 because these are 2 people. Now what I want to be able to show you guys, this is where you go find the rest of those educators. So you're like, okay, I only see Stevenson, Lindor, Zachary, and Jordan in the Bounceback channel. But if I go to the Forex Go Live library, this is what you're going to see. All of those same individuals are going to be here, right? I'm going to show you a couple. You got John Fibonacci, okay? You got Sandy, right? There goes Stevenson again. You got Zach McDonald. You got Mike Miles. I'm not going to go through the rest of the people, but you get the gist of it. This is where you're going to be able to find the rest of the educators. Now that we're done with that, when you guys come to Bounceback, one thing I want you guys to know is there's going to be 2 different parts of Bounceback. There's going to be the regular Bounceback trading style, which is going to be what's taught by Stevenson Lindor. So I want you guys to be able to take notes, okay? When it comes to Bounceback, the strategy, there's 2 different strategies, okay? There's going to be 2 different strategies, right? There's going to be the Bounceback strategy, There's also going to be the sniper strategy. Stevenson Lindor teaches the bounce back strategy. Zachary and Jordan, along with all of those other people I just showed you, they specifically focus on the sniper strategy, okay? So if you want to learn how to use the regular bounce back, pay attention to Stevenson Lindor's channel, right? Now, I'm not going to go too deep into this, but the overall concept of it is what you guys want to pretty much be looking for is these are going to be Bollinger Bands, right? If you know anything about Bollinger Bands, they're going to act as support and resistance areas. So basically, whenever you see the price start hitting these blue bands at the top, hitting these blue bands at the bottom, you can possibly start looking for opportunities to buy and sell the market. So example, notice how you guys actually see that the market broke out of the Bollinger Band right here, okay? Now, in unison with that, a part of the way that the strategy works is you're actually going to have another indicator over here called the MACD, okay? Now, the MACD is going to give you an indication of whenever there's going to be a shift of momentum in the market. So the way that you guys are able to actually partner this up, right, without giving you the whole strategy, because you definitely want to be able to tap into the education, right, because I'm just giving you a rough draft version, is whenever you get the blue and the red line to cross, this is going to be signaling a possible opportunity to get into the market. So a combination of knowing that whenever it breaks out to the upside, you want to look for sells. When it breaks out to the downside, you want to look for buys. But you also want to wait until you get the cross of the MACD, okay? Now, if we go to the sniper strategy, right, which is how you're going to learn how to trade like the banks, which is what this video is titled, this is what you guys are actually going to be able to see, right? What you guys are actually going to be able to see, check this out, okay, is they're actually going to be sending out trade ideas, okay? They're actually going to send you trade ideas, right? Now, these trade ideas are going to give you access to the same trade ideas that the educators on the channel are going to allow you to use. So all you guys got to do is reach out to the individual that got you accessed into Bounceback and tell them, give me the Telegram for Bounceback, okay? So with that being said, the Telegram for Bounceback is actually going to give you guys access, right? I'm actually show you guys real quick. It's actually going to give you guys access. Whoa. Actually going to give you guys access. Here we go. So it's actually going to give you guys access to all of the information. So right here, you actually have the Bounceback Power Hour, which lets you know whenever everybody goes live. And then you have, wait, let me see if I can find it. Bounceback, 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 Bounceback. Let me see. That might be the only one now. Okay, I thought they had two. So that'll be the primary one. So you guys definitely want to make sure that you focus on that, right? For Bounceback, Telegram. And basically, that's pretty much going to be it, guys. So this is going to be something that you guys really want to focus on, right? It's going to teach you risk to reward. It's going to teach you risk management. It's going to teach you how to improve the ROI on your return of investment. It's also going to teach you to trade exactly like the banks are trading. You don't want to be like the retail traders. You want to be like the investors that are going to be coming out of the financial institution. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys like this video, right, let me get y'all to go hit that like button, right? Also on top of that, before you go do anything else, go hit that subscribe button, because I want you guys to get the notifications every time I drop a video every single week moving forward. Now, with that being said, guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, right? And on top of that, what I'm actually going to do for you guys is I'm going to give you access to a link right here. So what I want you guys to do is want you guys to look up here at the top. I'm actually going to put a video showing you guys how to use TradingView, okay? TradingView is actually going to be what you're going to be utilizing to be able to mark up your chart. So make sure y'all go check out that video, okay? Also, what I'm going to tag up here is going to be a video showing you guys how to be able to set up a Forex broker. So for anybody that's brand new watching this video, make sure y'all go set up a foreign exchange broker. Okay, so I got 2 of these YouTube videos up here for you guys to be able to check out. I want to be able to help you guys become the best of the best, right, as quick as possible. So it's been your boy, Official Tyree Samuels. Once again, make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, like, comment, share. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. See ya. Wouldn't want to be a peace.